We guide you through how to block porn website on any iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Screen Time. If it's not enabled yet, tap Turn on Screen Time. Choose This is my iPhone or This is my child's iPhone. Then continue. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it on at the top. You may be asked to create a screen time passcode, and it's important to set one that others won't guess so the restrictions can't be changed. After that, tap Content Restrictions. Then select Web Content. Choose Limit Adults Websites, and your iPhone will automatically block most pornographic and implicit sites in Safari and other supported browsers. For extra control, you can tap Never Allow and manually add specific website you want to completely block. Just tap Add Website and enter the URL. If you are setting this up for a child or a family member, consider enabling family sharing so you can manage these restrictions remotely.